Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this bronzy makeup with a red lip. Super classy, super classic look. I love it. I love red lips and I love bronzy looks during the summer. I think it's super pretty and it just makes you look super healthy and glowy and I love it. This lip is super affordable too and it's so cute. It's like the perfect red and it's so pigmented. This is like one swipe and I got it from Walmart. It's Milani, but it works really well. If you want to, you could like give this video a thumbs up because my birthday is this month and I would really appreciate it if you like subscribed and like turned on your post notifications because I'm uploading every day until my birthday, which is July 21st. So you really don't want to miss out because it's gonna be super fun and yeah, so subscribe. Thank you. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Well, make your teeth look really white. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please just keep on watching. I'm first just going to start with priming my face, and I'm using my Maybelline Master Prime in Blur and Smooth. And then for foundation, I'm just going to be using my L'Oreal True Match in the shade W3 Nude Beige, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Oh, it's too much. I'm going to first apply it with a brush like this, a kabuki brush, and just put it everywhere and then go over it with a beauty blender so that it looks flawless. So now I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just go over my whole face. Okay, now I'm going to be doing concealer. I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and just concealing it under my eyes and around my nose and stuff. You'll see. When I put on my concealer, I like to leave like this part there for a little because I feel like when you let it dry for like, I don't know, like a minute, however long it takes to blend out the rest of your concealer, I feel like it just gives it more coverage because it's not as like liquidy, you know what I mean? And it like kind of just like stays where it is, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna put that on my lids too. And now I'm gonna bake my face. I'm gonna use my Kat Von D translucent powder. I like to bake during the summer just because it makes everything stay longer because it's hot out. Def gotta bake those laugh lines. Okay, I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. And next, of course, I'm gonna bronze because this is a bronzy look. I'm gonna use my chocolate soleil from Too Faced on my cheeks, on my temples, and on my nose and under my jaw. Next, I'm just gonna be taking the shade Fawn from the Anastasia Contour Kit. This one, the middle one, and I'm just gonna contour my jaw and my cheekbones. Brush and wipe away the bake and also blend out my bronzer. Then I'm just gonna be taking the yellow shade from this same Anastasia kit and putting that on my under eyes. If you're wondering why my background is different, I'm staying at my aunt's for the weekend to watch her dogs. I'm gonna just take my Carli Bybel palette to do my eyes. Well, first I'm gonna highlight with it, but I'm also gonna use it for my eyes. I'm going to use the gold shade, of course, because you know, that's bronzy. So this one right here. And I'm just gonna highlight my face. Now moving on to eyes, I'm going to take this orange shade right here and put that in my crease. Okay, and then just take a clean brush just to blend out the edges. And then I'm going to be taking a little bit of a darker brown, nothing too dark, so right here, and just putting a tiny, tiny bit of that on my outer corner, just to deepen the look a tiny bit. I don't want it too dark. I'm gonna bring that into the crease a little as well. Blend it together. I'm gonna be taking this middle shade right here. It's kind of like a bronzy, like a light bronze, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm just gonna take that first orange shade and put that on my lower lash line. Blend that, of course. The key to eyeshadow is really blending. Like when I first started doing makeup, I was awful, and it was because I didn't know that you had to blend, and like no one would ever say that in their videos. Like I would watch makeup tutorials and theirs would just like, I would try to follow them and theirs would just come out so good, and I never understood why I wouldn't, and it was because I wasn't blending, because I didn't know. So if yours are still coming out bad and you don't know why, blend. Okay, and now moving on, I'm just gonna take some black eyeliner and line my top lash line. It's super hot out right now and I'm doing a full face of makeup because I'm psycho. But yeah, I'm gonna put on mascara on my lower lashes. I'm gonna put the tiniest bit, I don't want too much. And I'm gonna put on my Kiss number 11 lashes with this Kiss black glue with aloe. I'll be back. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take that gold highlighter shade again and highlight my brow bone. I'm going to be putting on this Milani red liquid lip in the shade, it's called Passion. This one's so good too because it has like a point, so you don't have to use like a lip liner, you just like line it with this. Also just gonna put a tiny bit of contour under my lip just so it looks a little more pouty. And this is the final makeup look. I really, really love this lip. It's super affordable too. I got it at like Walmart for like $6 and something cents. So it's super affordable and it's glossy, which I like. I don't really like matte lips. I feel like they dry my lips out and I really am just not a fan of that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notifications because I'm uploading every single day until July 21st, which is my birthday. So you don't want to miss out on a single video. They're all gonna be fun. So subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.